Hi guys, today we're going to review how to use our problem-solving flowchart. We use the problem-solving flowchart whenever we have word problems that we need to solve and it has too much stuff going on in it and we need to decide what we need to do, if we need to add, subtract, multiply, or divide. So going from the top, first we read the problem, then we read it again so we can circle the numbers. Then we read it again so we can underline the question. And lastly, we read it one more time so we can box in the keywords, all the words that tell us or give us a clue about what we need to do with that problem. Then we have to think to ourselves, do we know the total in this problem? Usually, if the question is asking you for the total or how many you have altogether or how many you have in all, that means we don't have a total and we're looking for one. But if it's not asking you for a total on the question, it usually means that you already have a total somewhere in the word problem. So now, if you do have a total, you would go this way on the flowchart. Yes, I do have a total. Then you have to think, do we have equal groups? Are the numbers the same? Do you have groups of a certain amount? If you don't have equal groups, then you have to subtract. And you would use a strip diagram such as this one with the total at the top. You have one part and you're missing a part, so you're trying to find it. Then, if you do have equal groups, you go this way. If you have equal groups and you have a total, that means you have to divide. So you put the total and divide it into the equal groups that it tells you to divide into. Now, if you did not have a total, then you would go the other way. No, I don't have a total. Then you think to yourself, do I have equal groups or equal parts? Are all the numbers the same? If I don't, then I have to combine my parts so I can find the total. And my strip diagram will look like this. I don't have a total and I have two parts with different amounts on it, or maybe more than two parts. But if I do have equal groups, then I look for the number of groups and the amount in each group and I multiply. So I don't have a total, but I do have equal groups with the same amount in each. So then that's what my strip diagram will look like. Also, we have some keywords that can help us solve that. So here's our problem solving keywords. For example, if we are adding, we'll see words on the problem that say something like altogether, combined, entire cost, in all, increase by, more than, plus, sum, total, total cost. Those are all words that are telling us we need to add our numbers. For subtraction, we have words like change, decrease by, difference, fewer, gave away, how many more, how much longer or shorter, how much is left, how much less, or minus, or saved. Those are keywords that tell us we are subtracting. For multiplication, we might see double, which means times 2. We may see each, in all, or each. We may see product, same, times, triple, or twice, which also means times 2. And for division, we may see words like divide by, evenly, half. Half means divide by 2. How many in each, goes into, out of, per, or quotient. So those are all the keywords that would tell us about division. So let's practice this with our problems for today. Make sure you do your strategies on your problems and have fun solving them.